I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a comment on Microsoft PowerPoint. Open your presentation, go to the Review tab, click Show Comments in the Comments group. The Comments pane opens on the right side of the slide, and it lists every comment thread on that slide. If the pane looks empty, you're on a slide with no comments, so click the slide that has the comment bubble. You can also open this same pane by clicking any comment bubble directly on the slide. I use the Review tab route because it's easier to find than a small bubble on a busy slide. On this slide, I have a single review comment that says verify the total. The bubble is in the upper right corner of the slide. I'll delete just that one first. Click directly on the comment text inside the pane. The comment gets a thin border, and the matching comment bubble on the slide is highlighted. That tells you PowerPoint is aimed at the comment, not at a shape behind it. Now press the delete key on your keyboard, the comment disappears from the pane, and the bubble disappears from the slide. That keyboard route is the fastest way to pull out one comment, but it only works because the comment itself is selected. This is the spot where I've deleted a text box by accident. If a shape or image is selected instead, delete takes that object off the slide. So click the comment first. Next, I have a comment thread with 2 replies. In the comments pane, the replies are indented under the original comment, so you can see what belongs to that thread. I want the entire conversation gone, not just the top comment. Click the first comment in that thread, the top level header. The whole thread highlights, including both replies. Once it's selected, hover over it and a 3-dot icon appears on the right side. That icon is called More Options, and it stays hidden until you select or hover the comment. Click the 3-dot icon. The menu gives you Delete Comment for just the selected comment and Delete Thread for the full chain. Choose Delete Thread. PowerPoint removes the original comment, both replies, and the bubble from the slide. There's no confirmation box, so make sure this is the right thread. And this removes it for everyone who has access to the deck, not just your view. Now, if you delete the wrong comment in a hurry, press Ctrl-Z. The comment comes back immediately, so you don't have to rewrite a review note. And if you just want the comments out of the way while you keep working, click Show Comments again on the Review tab. That collapses the pane. The comments are still on the slide, but the pane isn't covering your layout. If this cleared out your comments, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.